Okay, let's go ahead and install this thing. Razor blade test. No light, so I'm not gonna lap it. I recommend not doing this if you're not comfortable, but yeah, vertical installation with one hand makes life very easy. Let's get the reservoir in there. We should get the double A this time, I hope. There we go, perfect. O2 with a green is a good sign usually. Yeah, there's the double A. There's the last bend that I redid, everything looking good. And the fun part starts. I'm gonna be installing those for the controller, so yeah, stay tuned for the, it's gonna be 10 parts, so 2 more parts left. Stay tuned and subscribe if you enjoyed. Take care.